Hi there and welcome to the Mobile School Playground. In this video I will introduce to you the Talentship game. The Talentship game is a game based on the classic battleship methodology, but which will allow you as well to reflect on skills and talents you will need in specific interaction with people. Now, what do you need to play the game? You will need one rotation disc, the family wheel over here, and then you'll need to copy the battleship setup on both sides of the Mobile School. So make sure to print these panels out twice for both sides of the Mobile School. The battleship setup consists of the magnetic Talentship game and the legend that you see over here. Also make sure that you copy the Talentship grid next to the panel with chalk on the Mobile School. So to conclude, you will need this setup on both sides of the Mobile School. In addition to that, you will need colored bottle tops in 4 colors, and you will need chalk to write on the blackboard. Now, let's have a look at how to play the game. First of all, you will gather your 2 players in front of the family wheel over here. Street Educator will spin the disc and it will land on a specific character. For example, over here, on a policeman. Now, player 1 needs to reflect on which skills or talents you will need in interaction with a policeman. Now, then we need to have a look at the legend. We'll see different skills over here. Here you also have a blank space to translate these skills into your local language. And here you will see the bottle caps which you will need to represent these skills on the board. For example, in interaction with a policeman, I think it's important to have respect. I choose respect, I have a look at the legend, and it will be like 4 black bottle tops. I'll take my bottle tops and I will put them on the grid in any direction, wherever you want. I will put them over here. Like this, you will see I have 4 black bottle tops. The other player will do the same on the other side of the Mobile School. And in total, you will have 15 bottle caps to cover your board. So you can choose skills until you have used your 15 bottle caps for the game. Then the game can start. So I need to guess where the skills of my colleague on the opposite side of the Mobile School are located. Maybe I can say, let's try B3. The other player, he has 2 options. Or he says boom, and then you know that you hit a skill for the other player, and you can write an X over here. Or the other option is that you hit nothing, and then the other player will yell nothing. Then you will not write X over here, you will just write 0. So you know that there is no skill on that specific square on the opposite side of the player. Now imagine that my other colleague has hit all the squares where my respect skill is placed. I will yell skillfully hit. If that happens, the other player needs to guess which skill he hit on the Talentship game. If he gets the right answer, I will need to explain why I chose respect as an important skill to have when going into interaction with a policeman. The game ends when one player has hit all the different skills of the other player. And he who is the first one to hit all the skills, he or she is a winner of this Talentship game. Of course, you can add different variations to this game as well. For example, you can change the legend over here to any topic you want. If you would like to change the legend, feel free to change these words and to play the same game on different topics and to use the same methodology for another variation of the game. So, I hope you enjoyed the explanation of the Talentship game. I'm sure you're ready to hit the streets right now. Have fun, enjoy your outreach work, and we'll see you very soon.